I'll get ya! Caught ya! Oh no! Gotcha! Gotcha! What are you doing? Wait, how do you even do that? Where? What button do I press? What? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing... Yeah, and today I am here with Val. Alright, let's go do that. Yeah, this is me and Val's first normal video in a while. Ew. How do you... That's disgusting how you can fart in this game. Wait, your foot. Ew! Alright, what should we do? Secret science? Which one are we gonna do? This is also our first time ever playing this game. One of our friends told us about this. One of our friends told us about this game. Oh gosh. We picked our selected map! Yes! Ew! I don't know. Where are you? I don't know, but I'm gonna hide. I don't want Frogge to touch me. Alright. What is this? Oh my god, it's Frogge! Oh my god, don't tell me you ran right into Frogge's path. I almost did. I got away safely. Frogge's path? Did you run right into Frogge's path? Yeah, like I run away safely though. The vent. Oh, someone's hurt. I see somebody. Did he just fall right in there? What did he? Val, where are you, BFF? No! Oh! No! No! Oh my god, Val! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. I don't think we should go there because that's near the end. We won't be able to go anywhere. Oh, up in the vent. Oh my god, phew. And we gotta try to avoid that vent because that's what leads to Frogge's path. Let's go this way. Okay. Oh my god, getting so loud in this video. I'm losing my sprint. Ah!
Oh my god, my game's lagging so bad. Up here. Come on, find him.
We did it! We did it! Guys, we did it! Ew, I just farted. Ew, he's farting. Wait, if you sit too long, what happens? Should we let let's not, should we say the name of who let us know about this game?
If you want it.
I won't say it unless I get permission from that friend of ours.
It's a while.
Okay. Wait, it's,
Oh, it's this dude.
he seems like he seems really good, so, oh, everyone's on level 1.
Well, except for one person.
I'm going up in the slinky.
Where are you?
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna be right at the end of the blue part. Hi, Val! What the heck? We also, what the hell? Oh, I am so sorry, guys. I did not mean to swear.
Oh my god, look at that jump. It's
Alright, heading over.
Jack, look, I jumped.
Yeah. Also, I do not have my stylish animation on. So far, we've survived all rounds. That last round was a kind of like literally like a splat, like a big splat. What should we do? Let's do how do you know if you fart? Now, how do you know if you fart?
You know you're the person who farted. Oh, that girl's the fat.
Uh-oh. Okay. Val! Hello!
Into the mansion.
Let's go!
To the backyard. There's a maze in the backyard. You won't find us.
Let's go! Val, come on, follow me! I'll save you! Val! Come! No! No! We're gonna die. We're so gonna die.
Let's just stand in one. Let's just stay in one place. I'm gonna die.
Those people, Froggy's back. We're all gonna die.
We shouldn't have to.
Oh, he's coming! They're saving us! Val, we're up! Let's go! He won't hear us like this, right? Under the stairs. No! I'm gonna die! Oh my god. Alright, I'm up! Oh my god! We have to save people! Alright, let's go. Oh my god! No! Let's go! No! I just got killed! I died! Okay! Oh, you died! I'm gonna spectate this person! Everyone's dying! This is like the worst game! We could, but right now in the middle of a video. Are you excited to watch this video, Val? Literally, everyone's dying. I don't think this game's gonna be a good game. Everyone died. Yep, everyone completely died. Intermission, we gotta go to the maps. Okay. Ew. Ew. Hey, Val, how do you know if you fart? There's like a green thing that comes out or something? Ew. Oh, do you have the chance? Same. My percent is at 10% too. I will. Have you played this game before? Oh, that's this person's at level 7. Let's go. Yep. Wait. Okay. Let's get upstairs. Come on. Val, where are you? Val, I see you. I see you. Do you see me? I'm right up here. Ah! Oh my god! Close. Oh my god. Alright, I'm in the cave. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Val, come save me! I'm coming down. I'm literally gonna die. Alright, let's go. Okay. Now he will never know we're here. Yeah, this is perfect. Someone died. 2 people died. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end it off here. Recording's about to end, so hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye. Say bye, Val.